Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that goes in your first aid kit or in your backpacking kit. That is moleskin. Moleskin protects your hands, helps keep you from getting blisters, and once you have a blister, there's ways to cut it so it fits around the blister to protect the blister and keep it from popping. So moleskin is an underknown, underrated, underused tool for first aid that you may want to look into and add to your first aid kit. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you, even if it is a blister. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow some healthy food.